Most of us wake up feeling groggy and reach straight for coffee. But what if there's a natural way to start your day that could boost energy, improve focus, and enhance your overall health? The secret is in morning juice. Packed with essential nutrients, morning juice can fuel your body, lift your mood, and give you a fresh, vibrant start. The problem: low energy in the morning. Mornings often feel exhausting because our bodies lack the nutrients they need to kickstart the day. This results in sluggishness, mid-morning crashes, and cravings. Over time, this lack of morning nourishment can affect focus, energy levels, and even skin health. If mornings are a struggle, adding a fresh juice might be the simple fix you need. The solution: morning juices for vitality and health. A glass of nutrient-dense juice is an easy way to supercharge your day. Here are some morning juice recipes to keep you energized and refreshed. 1. Green power juice. Ingredients: 1 cucumber to celery stalks, 1 green apple, spinach, juice of 1/2 lemon, small piece of ginger. Benefits: packed with vitamins and antioxidants for energy and hydration. 2. Sunshine citrus burst. Ingredients: 2 oranges, 1 grapefruit, juice of 1 lemon, dash of turmeric. Benefits: loaded with vitamin C for immune support and turmeric for inflammation relief. 3. Beetroot beauty booster. Ingredients: 1 beetroot to carrots, 1 apple, ginger. Benefits: supports blood flow and skin health with powerful antioxidants. 4. Tropical immune boost. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple, 1/2 cup coconut water, 1 orange, mint leaves. Benefits: hydrating, immune boosting, and perfect for mental clarity. Why morning juices work. Starting the day with a nutrient-rich juice provides your body with hydration, vitamins, and minerals that are easy to digest. Juices help jumpstart your metabolism, support digestion, and boost natural energy. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants, which promote glowing skin and a stronger immune system. Make it a morning habit. This simple morning habit can make a big difference. Try one of these quick recipes tomorrow and see the positive impact on your mood, focus, and energy levels. Make morning juice your new go-to ritual and experience the benefits of starting each day with vitality.